Hey folks, a very good morning. I hope you have enjoyed your day so far, and welcome to my channel. And we'll continue exploring the VLOOKUP formula. Here I am having the in this session we'll be seeing like how to find the minimum value out of these range. So let's say for example, I want to find out minimum value, right? I'll just find out minimum value, right, for, and this is how the formula appears because it's just applying from the above cells, but we don't want it. We want to find out minimum for each, like math, English, geography and physics. Now what's the formula for that? Right now we know, like, since it is a small data, we know that 36 is the smallest value. And but let's say if you are having a large date number of data and you need to find out, so there may be possibility that we tend to make mistakes and we may not be able to find out the minimum, or we may need to spend more number of time. But what you can do here, we can apply VLOOKUP formula. So quickly go through that. Equals to VLOOKUP and bracket and lookup value. So what we want to find out, so lookup value will be minimum, min formula, open bracket parenthesis, and then um, the range. Okay, so I want to have this range, and then bracket over, and then the table array would be the same table, and then column index number would be since we are using only one column, so that will be the first column, and that's why I'm taking one here as a column index number. And range, I would like to use 0 or false, and then bracket over, and then press enter. And here it is, you have presented with the minimum value over here. I can just drag and drop and it will follow the pattern, the formula, since we have just used the above cells. So this drag and drop will also consider the above cells, and it's giving the minimum value from the table. All right. uh, all right, let's, in my next video we'll see about the how to find out maximum values, like maximum of this. And then, all right, see you then, bye, have a wonderful day.